So there's a relay. You have a main screen where you can turn on the batteries that we've been talking about. You have your thruster levels. This is underwater. That's a steep angle. Right up close to the stern, right? Oh, look at that piece just fall right off.
Yeah, that big piece just came off. Can I zoom my camera for here for a minute?
Yes.
Just a porthole. Yeah, just our porthole. I want to get a picture of our porthole.